you know, I could have just tried to look cute for work, just tried a little bit, but instead we have whatever this is. I promise you, eventually I will get my life together, but that's just not my existence right now, and so maybe not. Maybe next time. Next time. Soon. Next couple videos. How's that sound? Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. BRATTERSTEIN. Sorry I look a bit atrocious today. Normally I'm a lot more done up than this, but I don't know if you guys knew that Boxycharm like switched their shipping situation, and I didn't know it was going to come in today, and I've been doing like a makeup free week, and I found out that it was getting delivered today and ran to Target and just bought like a lip liner and lip gloss and brows. So that's why I am not at my peak of beauty. Anyways, video time. So today's videos, I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing. It is the best time of the month, if I do say so myself. Is there something on my teeth? No, that was just my screen. So for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month they take $21 from your account and then they send you this beautiful box here. It looks just like this, and they send it to your box each month with 4 to 5 full-size products, usually, to test and try and love. If you want to sign up, I will every time. If you are interested in signing up, there will be a link down below so that you can, because it's a pretty good service, but I'm sure if you're watching this, you already have Boxycharm and you're just here to see spoilers, because I know that's what I do. I've taken the liberty to already open it up and figure out what is and is not cruelty-free for you guys, and I'm happy to say it looks like the entire box, based on the information that I was able to get online, is cruelty-free. And anyways, I think it's time that we just get into this video. You want to do that? You want to do that? Let's do that right now. But real quick, just subscribe real quick before we get started, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so YouTube knows that I am relevant, and we are ridiculously close. Like, oh, so close. So if you want to do like a good deed for the day and just subscribe real quick, it's free. It takes like 2 seconds, and then you could come back and watch me again and help a sister out, like a small channel. That'd be great. And I get my Boxycharm each month, so if you want to see spoilers each month, go ahead and subscribe. And anyways, if you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, just keep on watching. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the card, which the last couple months we've been getting this new card. Inside it's got all the items in the box. I went through and marked off what was cruelty-free, which turns out to be everything. And now let's get into the actual products. So the first item I'm seeing is this guy right here. So this here is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and this retails for $24. It is in very interesting packaging. What's the shade? Please be black. Please be black. Anyways, so this is a black mascara. Let's go ahead and look at the wand here. Ooh, that's a promising wand. It's like a curled little situation, a little on the thick side. Smells like mascara, like all mascara smells. And Wander Beauty is cruelty-free, so I'm pretty excited to use this. I feel like this would be a cool one, because then when you feel like you're running out of mascara, you could give it a little 1-2, you know? So I'm happy to have this. I always like to try a new mascara, let me tell you. Okay, the next item I see in the box is this guy right here. So this here is the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. What is an eyebrow cream? It is in the shade Taupe. In the past, we've received brow items in the shade Taupe that I thought wouldn't work, and I have been mistaken, so I'll have to open it up and see the shade. But eyebrow cream just sounds pretty weird, right? Wait a minute. What is... Oh, you know, I think I saw someone review something like this online. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's the little brush here, and then the cream's in there, so it's like a pomade. And you dip the brush like a show. Sorry, I was doing it down there. I don't know how much I'm getting. I'm just kind of like, okay. Okay. So that is the shade Taupe there, and that's how this little gadget works. I don't know how I feel. It seems kind of extra, but at the same time, I don't mind it. And the box is 21 and this is 26, so it's basically like a free thing for me to try. So I mean, would I go out and purchase this myself? Maybe not for $26. It doesn't seem like a lot of product, but to get it in the box, that is pretty cool. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at myself in the monitor and just being like horrified that I look this bad in a video, but I really just wanted to get it up right away for you guys. This is gonna be my second video uploaded today. I just uploaded a video this morning, so I will link it up here if you want to see me look more attractive than I currently do. It was a pretty cool one actually. Blue, halo, glitter. It was really good. I was recreating my first ever video tutorial and I think my skills have improved graciously. Alright, the next thing I see is this girl right here. Okay, so this is from the skincare brand Pharmacy, and this is their Brighten On Vitamin C face mask, and it retails for $38. It says in the pamphlet that it goes from purple to green. Like when you put it on your face, it goes on purple and then it turns green. So this is like an Instagram mask, if I do say so myself. So I might have to try that and go ahead and upload that to Instagram. And that would be a thing, because that's a thing people do, right? Do that, put a mask, and then you'll see a green face. You'll be like, oh, what's going on in that video? And then you'll click it and it'll be me wearing this mask. Speaking of which, if you have not followed me on Instagram, I'll put it on the screen here. It is just the same as my channel name, BRATTERSTEIN. Okay, the next thing we have here is from the brand Note. This is it here. Okay, so this is Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and this is in the shade Desert Rose, which just makes me think of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia when Dee, like, catfished that soldier. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. That smells exactly like baby powder, like 100%. That is the shade there, which actually is gorgeous. Let's watch her. Ooh, that looks pigmented. Whoa. So that is a pigmented blush. Let's blend it out a bit. Okay, it looks like it blends out. So this might be a really good blush for all skin tones, because we can blend it out if we're fairer, we can build it up if we are darker. I like that. The baby powder smell though, whew. How is it that I didn't see anyone mention the smell on other unboxing videos? Because that is extremely strong. Okay guys, and the last item is this one right here. Did I sound exactly like Tom Haverford? I feel like I sounded exactly like Tom Haverford. Bubble wrapped for our protection. No glove, no love. Imagine if I hadn't been filming this whole time. I just had like a terror where I hadn't been, and that would have been my own personal hell. So this is from Crown Brush, you know, the brand that makes the brushes. They also make beauty products. We've gotten something else from them in a previous box. I think it was a highlighting palette. We have gotten something from Crown before, and we have gotten their brushes. And this is their Fuego eyeshadow collection, but it's an eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $29.99. These pans are a lot bigger than they looked online, because I did see spoilers. So let's show you these giant pans. Those are the shades right there, and look at the size of those pans. Those are pretty big. Those are pretty big. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades and 5 shimmer shades. It's a very balanced palette, if I do say so. I'm more of a matte shadow kind of person, but you know, this is a good variety. What am I trying to say right now? This is actually really pretty. When I'm looking at it, I'm trying to think, I thought I owned a lot of warm tones, but when I'm looking at this, I feel like I don't have things that look just like this. I might be wrong. I'll have to check, but these look unique to my personal collection, which is surprising. I just went through my palette collection, which if you haven't seen that video, I will link it above, and this doesn't look familiar to me. It kind of looks like the Urban Decay Naked Heat, but I don't own that, so I wish more than anything that my hair didn't look so crazy today. So let me give you some swatches of a couple shades, because I'm sure you will like to see that. Holy crap. I'm sorry. So this metallic feels moist. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, wait a minute. So that shade in the pan looks different. This is actually crazy pretty. Wait a minute. That is that shade right there. It's like a lot more coral than you would think, with like a gold duochrome. It is stunning, and I'm really excited about that shade. Okay, so those are some of the shades there, so you can get an idea of what the tones are in this palette. Again, reminds me very much of Naked Heat. If you have that palette and you can confirm my suspicion that those look like shades in there, please let me know. I can still smell that baby powder like so hard right now. Okay, so I just did my calculations, and the overall value of the box this month is $130, and you only pay $21. So I'm not saying like you have to do it. I say this in every video. You can do whatever you want, but the like deal seeker in me thinks that's an amazing deal. Boxycharm is my favorite subscription, and it's a great way to build your makeup collection, especially if you're wanting to do YouTube, or if you just really, really like makeup, it's a good thing to have to have a lot of variety and new things to try at a fraction of the price. So if, again, it'll be linked down below if you're interested, and if not, and you just came for the spoilers, you're welcome, I did them. And I got the box in the mail today. I'm filming on my lunch break, and I'm gonna have it up this afternoon for you. Dedication. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it really helps me out, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love it so much, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, 1, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot, and you'll need to be subscribed to be entered, and 2, not 4, 2, then YouTube will know I'm relevant, even though I've been doing this for 2 years. Apparently that doesn't show relevancy, so. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you in my next video, which I will conveniently place on the screen. I don't know which side I'm going to put it on, so I'm just going to sit in the center. I'm going to put it on one of these sides. I might put one here and one here. These are videos I put up in the past. One of them is going to be today's video with the blue makeup look. Click that one. That one's good. I was very happy with it. And then if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel, in case you didn't already do that, which I think you already did, though. I already, asked you, and I'm sure you did that for me. Anyways,